Good day, everyone. Learn how to use Gemini app in Android phone. So to use that, we need to go to the Play Store and in the search, just type Gemini and you will find Google Gemini, which has 36 million reviews, 1 billion plus download. So once you have installed it, you can simply open it like this. Now here we have this Gemini Flash and you can search whatever you want to. If you want to chat anonymously like stranger, you can use this temporary chat and this won't save anything for you. All right. For stored for 72 hours for safety, which is fine. And it will not appear in the recent chat. Once you click on this two dots, two lines, you will find the recent chats. And here you can also search chats. You can upload your image, music, or anything, any PDF file, and you can ask question about that particular file as well. If you do not want to type, you can simply use voice command. You can use your voice and it will start, you know, recording and it will also reply in voice only. You can also use the mic and this will type whatever you say. So this is very easy and you can also use it. Gemini Flash, it has good ratings. And do let me know, have you ever used Gemini or not, and which one is your favorite? If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.